Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today guys will be super helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the power mirrors, also known as side rear view door mirror guys on Mercedes GLC this generation here. If you have problem where a power mirror does not work, please do not waste guys any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix, and after that, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we're going to share guys the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start right now guys. Even before we start guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6-7 different fuse boxes guys. Now that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now guys, when we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So for the power mirrors guys, now if a power mirror does not work, the first thing you want to check is fuses and relays. But if you still have a problem where a power mirror does not work, we have a special video on the channel that's called Mercedes, why a power mirror does not work on Mercedes GLC. Check it out, it will teach you what you need to check, how to test components and all that stuff. Let's explain about the fuses and the relays now. Guys, here we'll be working multiple fuse boxes. The first one is on the passenger side. Open the passenger door, come to the passenger side footwell compartment. Here on the A pillar you have a cover, open it and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. So guys, here we need to check specifically 2 fuses. Then we need to go to a different fuse box and check 2 more. The fuses that we need to check, that's empty in our case, but that's 301, so we need to check 302 and 303. Those are very important fuses that you need to check here. Then you need to open the trunk. When you open the trunk, leave the cargo liner up, that cargo cover up. Underneath you have some storage compartment, but here you have a flap. Open guys that flap, you see, lift it up, and underneath you will find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. What we need to check now here is 2 more fuses, and we're talking about fuse 406 and 408. Now these 2 fuses there guys, but if you still have problems, we'll recommend to check fuses relays for the front and rear SAM control module, SAM module, because it controls that function too. So you check these fuses, they're good. You still have a problem, check fuses relays for the front and rear SAM control module. We'll have the video on the channel if you guys need help with that. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have 2 different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now, it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise, we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below, where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.